And me, man, I to the C to the E to the M to the C, and me ready. Watching out, this one just come off for all the DJ, them want to come off with some fashion and style, saying. So just hold on pan them style, cause you know, say me wicked. Drip it, drop it, drop it, drop, drop, drip it, drip it, drop it, drop it, drop, drop, drip it, drip it, drop it, drop it, drop, drop, drip it, drip it, drop it, drop it, drop, drop, drip it, drip it, drop it, drop it, drop, drop, drip it, drip it, drop it, drop it, drop, drop, drip it, drip it, drop it, drop it, drop, drop, drip it, drip it, drop it, drop it, drip. Billy was a youth on the way to school, a man named Bedre. They in everything to get that girl them catching. Going at the club by night time, bubbling pan they ready. After the school year done, Billy they lose sight of him. Many time pass by him here in friend also dropping on the shop for the one them who can't find J.O.B. yo. Trouble it company double and him receive a bully Billy feel back at him brethren him just dead and bury yo. Rain it down so big up the dananan. Rain it down so big up the dananan. Rain it down so big up the dananan. Time for big up the dan Rain it down so big up the dananan. Rain it down so big up the dananan. Rain it down so big up the dananan. Time for big up the dan What a very terrible thing when family them struggle Billy is another example of what rain is they bring Better on a cool and calm get over this so far Live up the life cause you know steady life is well worth living Get up, stand up and move if you agreeing with me Get up, stand up and move if your sunshine is shining Don't bother shed no tear cause this a festa party Respect if you give out for the one who pass no face glow me Music operator, music operator, music operator Bring back the sunshine Music operator, music operator, music operator Bring back the sunshine Well, crowd of people, it coming like somehow now if you just cross the river, sing. Me no want to see no thunderstorm face in the place. So now just come in this vibe, make nobody wobble like jello and just shock out.